Okay, I have a little bit of a confession to make. I've been shaving my face. I know that that sounds super weird, but honestly, it has made such a difference in my skin. My skin is so soft, and honestly, I feel like it's made a really big difference in my clogged pores. So honestly, if you're ready to get started with shaving your face, give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. So when I said shave your face, you probably thought I meant this. I didn't mean this. You don't have to use your razor to shave your face, so don't worry about that. What I actually meant was this. So this is an eyebrow shaper, and this is a single blade razor that you can use to trim up your eyebrows, like the tops of them and the corners. So you can use this razor to do a technique called derma planing. Now, derma planing is something that is done in a dermatologist's office with a much sharper blade, but you can mimic the effects at home using this eyebrow razor. So what you are essentially doing is you are taking off all of the dead skin cells, peach fuzz, and hair from your face. So you are deeply exfoliating the top layer of your skin. Once you do that, your skincare layers are actually going to sink in much better, quicker, and they're going to be more effective because there's less blocking them. This is also going to mean that your makeup is going to go on smoother, stay on longer, because you have just a little bit more of a better primed surface for the makeup to adhere to. I've also noticed that my clogged pores have gotten a lot better because you're really exfoliating the top layer of the skin and taking away all of those dead skin cells. When you start removing them, you are lessening the chance of that blocking up the pores. If anybody's worried about, making cuts on their face, I would say don't worry about it too much. Obviously, you do want to be careful, but it's not that sharp of a blade that you need to be super concerned about it as long as you use the right technique. To get started, you're going to want to wash your face. Just make sure to remove all makeup and oil. Completely barefaced, clean, and really dry. Once your face is dry of all moisture, you can start with your forehead. So I actually like to go upwards against the hair growth because this removes more hair. And honestly, I see more of the dead skin cells coming up off of my face when I go upwards rather than when I go downwards. So I hold my skin taut and I just move upwards in a little scraping motion. Don't press down too hard and you'll start to see little white flakies popping up off of your skin. I like to go underneath just a little bit on my chin as well, and then just keep moving upwards, upwards, upwards. You may want to disinfect your blade with a little bit of alcohol just to make sure that you're not spreading any type of bacteria around your face, especially if you have any type of pimples or open acne on your face. You're gonna want to not run the blade over that particular area. Once you're done, you can rinse your face one more time with just plain water. I just find that you'll get some buildup of like hair and dead skin cells on your face. So just rinse, wipe dry, and then you want to do something really soothing to your skin afterwards, just because it is a mild form of exfoliation. It's nice to baby your skin afterwards. You'll probably want to do this about 1 to 2 times a week maximum. I wouldn't do it much more than that because A, I don't think that you need to do it much more than that, and B, you really don't want to over exfoliate your skin and run into a situation where your skin becomes irritated from all the exfoliation and all the dead skin cell being removed. So you will probably do this about 1 to 2 times a week, and don't worry about your hair growing back in either like thicker or blacker or anything like that. That's not going to happen. I think we all know by now that that's not really a thing. That's just a myth, an old wives' tale. So I buy mine on Amazon, and I really like this Shiseido Prepare brand for the eyebrow razors. I bought this. They come in packs of 3. The last time I bought them on Amazon, there was 3 packs of 3, so I ended up with 9. So I was stocked up for a while, and it was a really good price. I think it was under $15 for 9. 9 of them. There's one other brand that I've used called Tinkle that I really like as well. Very similar quality to the Shiseido. And with either brand, I've never cut myself. Everything is very high quality. So that's it. That's my secret. I have been shaving my face and I have been loving it. If you guys are ready to get started with derma planing, I've linked all the razors that we talked about in the info box below for you to explore. And let me know in the comment box, are you into shaving your face? Have you tried it before, or are you totally against it? I really want to know. So let me know in the comment box and hit that red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.